Okay, so we are going to construct the theorem of Thales with proof without words. After we construct the theorem, we will come up with a conjecture. So to start off, we plot 2 points. So I plotted 2 points using the point tool. After that, we draw a semicircle. So I go ahead and use a semicircle through 2 points, and I get this. So I got my semicircle. I changed the style to a dashed line in a color green. So after that, I drew a point on the semicircle to make a triangle. So let me go ahead and get the point tool. So using the point tool, I drew a point C. So now I can draw a triangle going through all 3 points. So I go ahead and choose a polygon option and draw my triangle. So afterwards, I got my triangle, and you can see that I can move it freely along the semicircle. Okay, so after that, I go ahead and create a slider. So using the slider tool right here, I created a slider. Okay, so this slider will be for our point O. So our point O is a point right along the A and B segment. So from 0 it's all the way to A, to 1 is all the way to B. So if it's from 0 to 1, to get it in the half, it would be in 0.5. So I put it in 0.5. So afterwards, I make a slider. So I named it proof without word. So we're gonna have to make a point from O to A, and so it can depend on this slider. So I go ahead and draw my point, and my point goes from O to A. If I slide it all the way, it reaches to A, and if I slide it all the way back, it reaches O. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing but going from O to B. So I go ahead and draw a point, which creates a segment, and then as I slide it all the way, it reaches the ends of the segment, and as I slide it all the way down, it reaches O. Okay, so afterwards, I go ahead and do the same thing from O to C. So from O to C, I have a point going from O to C, and if I slide it all the way across, it reaches a point just like the other two, and if I slide it all the way back, it reaches O. Okay, so now to finish it all off, I go ahead and mark the angles. So I want to mark this angle right here, so I chose OAC. So I chose OAC to go ahead and find this angle. Then BOCB to find this angle. OBC right here, and then basically I traced almost every angle, and this one is unknown, so we go ahead and put some question marks on it. So now we can see as we slide it, the question marks follow. Okay, so from this we can see the angles moving. We can see that these lines are all equal. So here we're supposed to find the angle. So basically my conjecture was that the angle created by the diameter of a semicircle will always be a right angle. So basically this angle will be right no matter where it is along the semicircle. And this is the theorem of Thales. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day.